If your check engine, VSC, and traction control lights all come on at once, don't panic. On vehicles like Toyota and Lexus, the computer can automatically turn off the VSC and traction control systems when an engine fault is detected. Here's what I would check first before paying a shop for a diagnostic. Start with the gas cap. Make sure it's tight and clicks into place. Check the cap and the seal for any damage too. A loose or damaged gas cap can sometimes trigger the check engine light. Then think about how the engine is running. Is it shaking? Is it running rough? Is it losing power? Are you having trouble starting the vehicle? If you notice any of these symptoms, don't just try to reset the warning lights. The engine problem needs to be found first. Next, check the battery. If the battery is weak or the voltage has been low, several warning lights can come on together. If you recently had a dead battery or replaced the battery, keep that in mind. I would also check the air intake and engine connections. Look for a loose hose, disconnected connector, or damaged wiring, especially if the vehicle was recently serviced. Then check the brake lights. Make sure they are working properly. A problem with the brake light switch can sometimes affect the traction control system. If the ABS light is on too, check the ABS sensors and wiring around the wheels. Look for anything loose, damaged, corroded, or rubbing against the tire or suspension. Also check all 4 tires. Make sure the tire pressure is correct and that the tires are the correct size. A large difference in tire pressure or tire size can affect the traction control system. Now, if you've found and repaired the actual problem, you can try a simple reset. On some vehicles, disconnecting the negative battery cable for a few minutes may clear certain temporary warning lights. Before doing this, remember that disconnecting the battery can reset the clock, radio settings, and other stored settings. Reconnect the battery, start the vehicle, and take a short drive. If the check engine, VSC, and traction control lights come back, don't keep disconnecting the battery. That usually means the vehicle is still detecting a problem. At that point, an engine diagnostic scanner can help identify the exact fault. Once the problem is repaired, the VSC and traction control warnings may clear as well. And remember, if the check engine light is flashing, the engine is running very rough, or the vehicle is losing power, avoid driving it until the problem is checked. If these 3 warning lights are on right now, comment your year, make, and model, and tell me exactly what the vehicle is doing. I'll help you figure out what to check first.